So in today's video, I am going to make a doodle using graphite pencils. I will not use any kind of ohuhu markers or colors. I will only use my graphite pencils. This pencil is too dark. Yeah, much better. Sometimes I don't know how to draw something. तो मैं हमेशा Google पे सर्च करता हूँ for good references of that particular thing. So don't be shy to look for references on Google and just copy. Yeah.
Nate Rose, oh yeah, I'm finna pop, yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through it.
And now it's time to go to eat something.
मजा आया.
Well, मजा लेने के बाद I'm finally home and now it's time for the most satisfying part, and that is inking. It's almost night. So my line work is done and it looks freaking amazing.
If the sun don't shine, not gon' trip, you know I get mine. 2020 vision, I want all the loot. 2020 vision, I want all the loot.
If you want, you can download this print for free, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you're ever gonna color this thing. And now it's time to color. I mean shade. For that, my primary tools are pencil, another pencil, some more pencils, erasers, and tissue papers. And baat rahi sketching ki, to I have a very good history with sketching. I have been sketching for around 6 to 7 years, but yeah, I never met Salman Khan. But after making hyperrealistic sketches, I literally got bored of sketching because it's just black and white. So I just stopped doing that. Well, इतनी ढेर सारी कहानी के बाद, let's start the shading part. In that moment, something really cool has arrived, जिसका मुझे literally बचपन से इंतजार था. And these are my first BMW shoes. Well, मैंने व्हाइट कलर एक रीजन से लिया है. अगर इस वीडियो पे होते हैं 5000 लाइक्स, जो कि कभी नहीं होंगे, तो आई एम गोइंग टू कस्टमाइज दीज शूज विद माई डूडल स्किल्स. बट फॉर नाउ, लेट्स गेट बैक टू वर्क. And it's almost 1 AM, so it's time to sleep.
The next day.